Do you want to escape the classic time to money trap? Working with clients one-on-one all day, trading your hours for cash, and feeling like you're stuck. What if you could reach way more people without creating new offers every single week and without being live on Zoom or Instagram every time? That's what an automated online business gives you. But the big question is, what do you actually need to set this up without overwhelm, without crazy tech skills, and without burning out? That's what I am going to show you today. In this video, I walk you through the 5 key elements every freedom-based business really needs. After more than 13 years in the digital online business world, this is a system I've built for myself, and I helped thousands of clients implement this. Let's start with the foundation, your topic. Ask yourself, what's your topic and for whom? And even more important, can I clearly explain how it takes someone from A to B to a clear solution? Online business is special. For example, instead of just saying, I teach self-care for mom, try this instead. I help exhausted moms to recover their energy in just 30 days. See the difference? It's clear. It's solution orientated. It's something people can instantly understand and say yes. Online people scroll fast. You need a topic that is simple, specific, and easy to communicate in one sentence. Step 2. A digital product that gets results. Your business can't run unless your product delivers results on its own. That's why I love small, simple products. Think a mini course that you can create in a weekend, a self-coaching program with worksheets, an audio course people can listen on the go. It doesn't have to be a huge signature program, way too complicated with 12 modules and 50 video lessons. 5 steps to set up your budget in just a weekend, or a 7-day reset for more energy. Small product, fast result, and your client thinks, wow, this really worked. That's how trust begins. A sales page and instant checkout. Now, how do you actually sell it? You don't need a huge agency or a designer, but you do need a sales page that converts. What goes on this page? Who is it for? What changes for them? And of course, a clear way to buy right now. It should be a no-brainer. That's it. And the good news is tools like System.io, Samcart or Stan Store make this super easy. I also love Thrivecart. They let people buy 24/7 while you sleep. And by the way, if this content is helpful for you, hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video on building a smarter online business. Number 4, an email funnel that builds trust. Okay, next. And now your email. This is where most people underestimate things. They think, oh, nobody reads emails anymore. That's just not true. Email is still where the real connection happens. After someone downloads your freebie, after they join a webinar, or after they buy your first product. Your email funnel is to nurture and how to keep the connection alive. And the best part, you don't need to write fresh emails every week. You create an automated email sequence. You set up a short sequence once with 5 emails, and your email marketing system sends them out automatically. You can use tools like MailerLite, Brevo, or ConvertKit. So every new subscriber feels like you're talking to them, even while you're offline or traveling or taking care of your children and enjoying a beautiful free weekend. Okay, what's missing now? Step 5, a system that sends people to your offer. Now, this is an engine behind your business. A system that sends constantly new people to your offers. It could be an evergreen funnel that runs in the background, a short pre-recorded training that people can watch anytime, 24/7, or a simple lead magnet with automated follow-up to your products. This is what allows you to stop chasing clients and to stop relying on only live launches. Live launches are very exhausting. I actually wrote a full blog post about this, and I link it in the description below if you want to dive deeper. So, There you have it, the 5 key elements of an automated online business. And if you're thinking right now, this is exactly what I need, then I've got something for you. My book, The Mini Course Method, will walk you step by step through how to build a scalable, low-stress online business using mini courses and simple automation. It's the easiest way to get started and to see results fast. So go check it out, the link is in the description. And watch my next video here. I see you there.